everyone. This is Isonam on the move. We're about taking up to Lagos in Nigeria for a project, MD28 project. Just follow us in all the processes, and if you've been following us in other previous videos, you can see a lot of things we're doing, but this time around it's a different product entirely. This is MD28. Just follow us. Thank you so much. This is the larger part of the place. Among the places we're going to be applying MD28. You know, I took you up to see those parts, take you around, but this is the larger part of it, of the place. Now, we're applying MD28 here. You know, MD28 is a waterproofing product. You know, some of you who are following us on YouTube and other social media platforms, you may be wondering what's the difference between MD28 and M35. I'm not going to tell you about that now, but first let me just brief you what this is all about. That's a suspense. That's why you should keep following us on all of our social media platforms. All right, now MD28, we're applying MD28 here to waterproof this place. You know, this is the top of a building where water or water tank is going to be kept here. You know, in that process, in that vein, the water can fill up and drown and start pouring on the floor. Also, when it's rain, water will get in here. If this place is not well waterproofed, rain will start soaking through this place. This decade, it will thereby start causing damages. It will go down. The POP down will start falling off. This place will become a very big risk. In no time, after a little short while, it will start cracking, and that becomes a very big problem. So hence, that's the reason we're doing MD28 here. MD28 is a two-component product, A and B components. We have the powder component, which is in the bag, and we have the other component, which is in a gallon liquid. So we mix the two together. Don't worry, just follow us in all the application process. I'll be coming shortly to tell you about the floor preparation and everything. Follow us in all the episodes and you'll be glad you did. Thank you so much.